Hey boys, so today I'm going to be building a antenna switcher for a friend of mine. It's just going to be two antennas into one radio. So this is the original plate that was on this. This is the box I'm going to use. This is the original plate. Went on there like that. So we're going to get rid of this. And I'm going to cut out, which I've already got marked out. So that aluminum plate there is going to replace that black one. So I'm going to cut that. Then I'm going to put one connector, two connectors, and three connectors. So basically that's radio, antenna 1, and antenna 2. For the switch, just going to use an ordinary on-off switch. Yeah, it's the only one I got here for now, but this one will be going in there, using this one. And for a indicator of transmit, I'm going to be using a little neon bulb. I'm going to try and get that to work. So when you go to transmit, the light here will come on. So it's kind of like a modulation indicator sort of thing, I guess, if you want to call it that. So it'll be going in the front of the box. So that's the plan, Stan. Anyway, going to get this cut out, foiled up, and make it fit the inside perimeter of this plastic piece. So anyway, wish me luck. Well boys, here's sheet 8. I think she turned out pretty good. I got a little indicator put on the front of this. Basically I got a light bulb on the inside. So it lights up as you key up. Alright. And then you want sideband. Test 1, 2. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. Little indicator. I got a little 24 volt automotive bulb put in that. I have a lot of them, so yeah. I have a lot to burn. So right now she goes to the dummy load there. I got a bad switch. Got a cleaner, I think. So yeah. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. Test 1, 2. So anyway. Flick switch. It's just an antenna switch. That's all this is. Switching between two antennas. Anyways, like I say, I think it turned out pretty good. Center one's common. So there you go. I think it came out pretty good, if I gotta say so myself. Anyway, what'd you build your junk box today?